Hello, I hope you're doing fine. In this tutorial, oh wait, what we got here? Oh, it's a huge flip from Hollow Knight Silk Sun, huh? And I thought this guy was supposed to be angry, but it looks pretty nice. You know what? Let's make this guy. I'm gonna show you how to make this easy pom-pom, a huge flip, and it's just with yarn, and you have felt and ribbon and a pencil, and you need just some glue, and it'll be totally easy to do. So without taking more of your time, let's get started. To make the huge flip from Hollow Knight and make it a pencil topper, we will need pencils. We need yarn about this color, which is the color of the flip. I was really lucky I have it on hand. Also, we're gonna need a paint. This one is colored like mocha, that's for the wings. And we have the chocolate bar, that's for the mouth. Also some Mod Podge. That is, you don't find felt. We need also felt, like you see here. And so if we don't find this felt, then we're gonna be painting it. Also we'll need some ribbon. This ribbon here is a thin one, which is this one here, and that will be the leg. I was wondering what I'm going to be using for the legs, and this worked good. And then we're going to cut it and kind of seal the edges. So with the yarn, we're going to do a pom-pom, which we're going to be doing in a little bit, but first let's work on the different parts so they'll be dry by the time we finish our pom-pom. The first thing I did, it was to kind of sketch a pattern. This one is for the wings, which will be two of them, and this will be for the mouth. Yes, and the teeth will be just triangles. The top ones are a little bit more elongated, and here this is the bottom one. So I did this so I can cut the felt right here, cut it into shape. I cut two, then I painted both sides, as you can see, but I mixed the paint with Mod Podge, so I do want them to be soft, but I don't want it to be kind of crack. So I did add a Mod Podge to each one of them, to each paint, like maybe a little bit less than half. I did also add some mica powder to this one, but I don't think it's showing. Maybe I kind of want to do something to make it glittery, I don't know. So then I painted both the mouth too, both sides, and left the teeth like that. So now let's cut this. So we're gonna cut a slanted in the edges so it'll be more pointy, so it look more like legs. So I kind of slanted, now I'm gonna unseal it. So I already cut it, and I cut it longer, or that you see that the legs are really long, but it's so they can be glued inside the pom-pom. In that way, if I cut it too short, it's not gonna be visible. And the same I did with the wings, they're kind of long, so when I stick it into the pom-pom, they're still visible. So I'm missing some parts here, so I'm just covering it. And let's not forget a piece of cardboard so we can do our pom-poms. Okay, so we have the cardboard. It's about like this size, I don't know, and the width is about like something like that. Doesn't have to be exact, but you choose the size depending how big you want it. So first you just wrap it around like this. You never have to tie it in here. This is just a cereal box board, and you're just gonna wrap it until you get enough in it. And I'm gonna show you how much in a little bit, but you just keep wrapping it like that. Oh, okay, so I think this is a good amount. As more as you put it thicker, more together, like the floss is gonna be, so it'll be more firm. Okay, and now you just cut it, and now we're gonna cut two kind of long yarn. you put a double, it's like about this. Then do another cut. Doesn't have to be a side. This is so we can wrap the yarn around. Now you can just use your finger to go underneath, or you can just use a hook. Let's do it with the finger first. Yeah, and we see where we can go across. So you can see across, go like this and pass it on the other side like that. So the yarn being passed all the way to this side. Now we tie it really tightly. And put it here, and we do it in the center right there, very tight.
Then put a finger and tie it again. The finger still doesn't slide. I can hold it out a little bit. And you can ask for help.
There, I should have tied it more tight because you don't want to lose, because then all the strands will fall. Let me try it off camera because it's a little bit hard from here. If you want to tie it tighter, you can just wrap around, go underneath and just do another pass like this.
And just tie it there. Maybe. Oh, that's better. It's better with them. Let me put here. Okay, there.
Okay, it's not right. And then do the same thing on the other side. So we get the other strand and kind of put it like this, kind of bend it a little bit, and you can use your finger or just use a hook. Put it here, wrap your hook, hold it kind of tight a little bit, pass it down, facing down so it doesn't come up. Oh. And then just pull one and then tie it the same way. And here, let me just show you it. Hold it, put it towards the center, just tie it the same way.
And the other one, like this.
I kind of let go a little bit so you can tie it again. Okay, now that we have both sides tied, we gently pull it out of the cardboard like this. Now this is the one that we tied, and this is the one that we tied. I'm gonna cut this so I don't get confused with it. There. So this, I'm gonna wrap this one this way and this one this way, right? And then I'm gonna wrap this one here. So the ones that were on, oh wait, this one go here. So the ones that were on the other side go to this side, and the ones that were on that side go on this one, like that. And then we're gonna tie it both ways really tight. But first let's start with this side. We do the same thing.
Tie it really tight.
There, and then the other side.
Okay. Now these are the ones. Yep. We do the same thing. There.
Now that we have this, we need to cut all the loops, making sure that we don't cut this. When we put the pencil, we want to put it from this angle. In that way, the pencil is kind of compressed in the middle of the tying, I guess. So we're gonna cut it here. And to cut the loops, you see the loops? I'll cut it here. Probably a lot of you already know how to do it, but you don't. Now, sorry for moving the camera. Now you know, so you go like this, and after you make sure all the loops, making sure you don't cut that, are cut, because you cut it, all the strands will come out. After you make sure all these loops like this are cut, try to cut it towards the center, then you give it a haircut to give it some shape. So yeah, let's try to make sure that we do it at the center, and I'll be back with you. Actually, I'm gonna keep going. Maybe I'll speed it up because I'm almost done. It doesn't take that long.
So the looks are, any looks, we'll see some looks in here. There, any more.
And this is how it's looking. So we're gonna need also some glue. So we just do some haircut, make it all round like this. You can give this shape of the huge flea. Maybe I keep one part more up like that. Give it that shape, you know. And you kind of rotate it and keep going around. I'll be back with you. Okay, so here is the middle where we tie it, and here is the bottom and the top. So I want to put the pencil here, so let's glue it. So we just put glue in here like that, plenty. And now we're kind of gonna put it here in the center there. And yeah, later on you can keep doing haircut going around. For now, I don't know, check the part that you want to be the front. Okay, now I need to put like 2 in this side and 2 on the other one, so 2 legs. So we just put the put on both sides, and we put enough. I don't want it to fall, so maybe like 1 here, and just press it against there, maybe, and then do the same thing with the other ones. Jessie is sleeping next to me, my dog, and she snores there. Okay, let me show here there. Maybe, oh, I should have, oh, kind of like that, and then do the other side. While we're waiting, I kind of want to put the teeth.
On here? Let me see which side is better. I think maybe this side. I'll put some glue.
Okay, I already put the glue, and then I just put this in here, there. Oh, this one has the glue too, and just put it here. And there's your teeth. Looks so funny. I may put this more pointy. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, this one here.
Okay. You still have the teeth. The teeth.
It's pretty center, I think. And now we're gonna do the wings. Will be like inside there, but I need to open it. Let me wait until this dry. Put it upside down because I kind of want it in these 2 dots. I kind of pinch it, and then I just put some glue in both sides there, and then just do this like that. You can put it in there, and you can just kind of pinch there, or maybe I want it more up, I don't know, but kind of like that. Let me do the other one. Okay, so he already did the ears, or their wings, and I'm gonna add Sharpie around it in the border, and because that's how it looks on the art. And also gonna add Sharpie on the mouth. So here I make sure that I also do this side with the Sharpie, so I'm trying to kind of make it look like the actual art. You can skip this part if you want. This is how it looks from the front and the back, and I already did the mouth in here too, so I had to repaint the mouth because it kind of got a little messed up with the glue. Here you see all the legs too, already glued them together, so we're done. there a close up. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. There's more videos like this one, mostly crochet and other kind of videos. If you want to know, just subscribe and turn off those notifications. I hope you have success in your project, and we'll be to the next one. Ciao.